Hey everyone, this is a quick video to introduce Tinq.ai's brand new feature, custom models. With Tinq.ai, you can now create your very own AI models based on your data tailored to your specific needs. Our easy-to-use platform allows you to create, train, and deploy models with any type of data in minutes, whether it's text, website, PDF documents, or any type of content for that matter. So once your model is trained, you can use it for a variety of purposes, from question answering, content creation, academic research, or even customer support. The possibilities are literally endless. In this video, we'll focus more on one use case, which is academic research and content creation. But before we do that, I just want to show you a quick example here that I did. So I went on Keychron's website and I grabbed some of their keyboards and trained this specific model on their K2, K8 and K6 keyboard, and I ask a few questions. Here, for example, what are the specs of the K8? And it tells me kind of like what it is, and if it's suited for a gamer, and it tells me whether or not it's going to be suited for a gamer and why it thinks that it's going to be good for a gamer, and also a quick blog post about the Keychron K2. So let's get started. Here I have this academic paper about satellite mega constellation and how they can create like risk for lower orbit and atmosphere on Earth. So let's say I want to read, understand, and also write my own paper based on this paper, or like do any kind of research. So what I'm going to do here is create a new model, custom models, new model, and to be simple, I'm just gonna call it like that and create it as a model. And this is gonna be the description. Create model. And once the model is created, I need to add data in it. Here it's gonna say that it's outdated because there's no data in it. So I'm gonna click on add data. I can either add a URL, upload a file, or enter the text manually. Here I'm just gonna type, get the URL of that paper and type it here and hit insert. It's gonna take a moment, and then it got the content and I can see it here. So the good thing is also grabs mathematical equations as well. So now that we have our data, let's click update, and it's gonna train the model and have it synced. Now that our model is ready, we can start asking simple questions. For example, what is this paper about? And it kind of gives me a quick summary, a quick explanation of what the paper is about. I can also say summarize this document. It's gonna give me a summary of that, and with also specific numbers and those kind of things. So now let's say I want to write an essay based on this paper, or like an analysis of this paper, or a discussion for this paper. I can just tell the new model to write me that. So here is a quick discussion about what this paper is about, and you can go into the specific, you can read that later if you want. So what we can also do is have it use the API to call this this model. I can create code in various languages, such as PHP, Python. So I'm going to use Python request, copy the code, and then head to Colab and create a new notebook. And I'm gonna type it here, and I need an API key. So I can create a new API key right here. And enter it right there. And as you can see, it pre-populated my model and my query that I can change. I can put anything here, and I enter my API key, and I'm gonna process the request. And there we go. I have my my discussion right here, and essentially I can run it anywhere because it's an API. It can work like whether it's gonna be on JavaScript, Python, or any other tool that you use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to register and try it out for free if you don't have an account yet. And if you have any question, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.